What's up, risk managers? My name is Nasdaq Anonymous, and I'm addicted to the NQ. And boy, is she one hell of a drug. And welcome to today's NA meeting, where we will discuss the economic data for the week, the day's technical analysis, the trading opportunities we took on today's stream, and build a game plan for tomorrow's price action. And if you haven't done so already, you can show your support by subscribing to the channel. And with that said, let's jump into the charts now. This is tomorrow's data. Be mindful that all times are in Central Time. And we have a big block of news scheduled for tomorrow, so let's jump into it. At 8:45, we have PMI. We have a big block of news coming out at 9 o'clock with the focus on the ISM and the Michigan consumer sentiment. At 9:15, we have a Fed speaker. And at 10 o'clock, we have the Fed monetary policy report scheduled for release. At 11:15, we have another Fed speaker. We have some crude news at 12 o'clock. We have another Fed speaker at 12:30, and we have another Fed speaker coming out at 2:30 Central. I was never recommended to trade during major news releases, but if you choose to trade during volatile price action, then understand you're playing a game of chance with your trading account. And now that we know what to expect, let's jump into the charts and create a game plan for tomorrow's price action. This is the block of price action that we traded on today's stream. And if you caught last night's NA meeting, we talked about this area being support for the bulls to go long. And if you took this trade, you caught the bottom of this move. And this is the reaction to the PCE report that came in as expected. Now, when the session started, we got this double top and we got this two-legged pullback into support, and prices went long the entire session. Now, here's what I'm looking for going into tomorrow's price action. I was looking for price to get around 115. We got to 108, but I do believe that there is more upside, possibly touching 158. But overnight, if price pushes up and gets into this area, I feel that this is the area where price will reverse. I do have a runner target at 185. We might have a battle between the bulls and the bears, and this is going to decide if price pushes past all-time highs at 145, going into possibly 190, 200, or if the bears hold this area, I can see that price and quickly reverse. Now, if we get a pullback before touching these areas, I think that the bulls can at least take it to at least this level of support. Finding support possibly at 88 or 71 for a move to test these highs. Price action has been very slow and choppy for the NQ, and we have more volatile news coming out tomorrow. Plus, it's Free Cash Friday, so anything can happen tomorrow. So just be mindful of that. With that said, let's jump into a CL chart. Now, this is a CL chart, and price basically traded in a range. And usually when I see ranges, I'm looking for breakouts. I still have my eye on this area, and if price does get down, I will be looking to get long somewhere around $77.50. This is where I believe where the bulls will find support for that move higher to retest prior structure. But remember, this is just a game plan for tomorrow. I want to see the price action in pre-market, and that will determine my bias going into tomorrow's stream. Because we don't trade what we think, we trade what we see. Because the price action writes the story, the charts tells the story, and if you listen and trust in the setup, then you'll have a story. And here's my story. So I'm ending the day being up around $1,100. I had a tough trading session today. Because of the choppy price action, I did get stopped out of a lot of the trades that I did take, but ultimately I brought it back. Now, with all this news, I can understand why the big lot traders, the institutional traders, why they're hesitant to put on any trades until information comes out. But NQ has just been trading as if it's stuck in pre-market. Low volume, no movement, And by the time the market began to move, I was so frustrated with the session that I just left my desk. I wish I stayed because I did see that we made it to the target that I projected, but that's all I have. If you're enjoying these breakdowns and want insight on trading the Nasdaq intraday, then subscribe to the channel and join our live stream where me and my trading partner provides intraday analysis in real time. Our current goal is building a community, and if you're tired of missing the best trades on the Nasdaq intraday, then join the live stream, join the Discord, join the risk managers in the chat, and we appreciate your support as we grow. As we wrap up, remember the risk manager's creed. Trading involves risk and demands careful analysis and capital preservation. And we can do that by practicing sound risk management. Every trade tells a story. Make sure you write that story in your trading journal because our psychology is all over these charts. And as always, my name is Nasdaq Anonymous, and I'm addicted to the NQ. Stay green out there. Peace.